Alright guys, today I'm gonna do a very quick unboxing of Fujinon 23mm f2. Okay, and I pay it a little bit cheaper than its market price here in Taiwan. I think that's a reason, because around the corner the box is a little bit ugly, but as long as the lens works fine, it's functional, I think I can live with it. Currently I'm using the 35mm f1.4. This lens is actually quite amazing. It has a good autofocus speed on the X-T3 body. And you can check out the links down below where I did a couple tests. However, since I like to take photos on the street, and you know that many times things may just happen in a blink of eyes, and that's why I need an even faster lens. And that's the reason I bought the 23mm f2.0. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. Right. There's a manual. Let's see what's down below. Okay. This is a lens cap. And this is a 23mm f2.0 lens. This is metal, all metal. This focus ring is quite good. Aperture ring is good, feels good. This lens is WR, which is weather resistant, and it's made in Philippines. Okay, let's put it on the X-T3 body. Gorgeous. This lens is very tiny, and it's light. Look from this side, from the top, from the other side. Gorgeous. Looks amazing. I'm gonna do a very quick autofocus test. ISO and the shutter speed are all set to auto. Alright, let's get started. Amazing, the autofocus speed.